Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidered designs for dresses. Guys, this video contains a wide variety of design ideas of hand embroidery that can be used for a wide variety of reasons. That is, you can use these very beautiful patterns of embroidery for designing your dresses, your everyday formal outfits for going to office, college, school, or university. And different stylized patterns are very beautiful, creative, and at the same time, they are lightweight, breathable, and comfortable designs which make the wearer easy. And the lightweight or the breathability of these designs make them much more comfortable. So, mothers or pregnant women can also wear these dresses with pride and elegance. The beauty and creativity of these designs make them much more elegant that they can equally be used for handwork and as well as for machine embroidery. I would recommend you to do watch the video till end so that you can get all the amazing, stylish, beautiful, and trendy ideas of the handwork and the creativities. And do let us know in the comment section that which design you like the most and what you want us to share with you in our more and new upcoming videos. Guys, in my every video almost I have been requesting you to share my videos, to like my videos, to leave comments in the comment section so that we can get to know what you feel or what you want us to share with you in the recent or new upcoming videos of our channel. But you are not showing love, you are not supporting us. Please keep supporting us because your love and support is the only way through which we can excel. The beauty and creativity of this video is that these videos are 3D. They designs are 3D because they are giving a very thick look and they are formal because most of the designs are made with the help of usage of beadworks, pearls, sequence work to give them a more creative and formal look. You can use them equally for Eastern wear and for designing your Western dresses as well, like Bohemian or Ukrainian dresses. So thank you so much for watching.